Here from Eightcap today. We're taking a look at Bitcoin on the weekly. We will have a quick look at it on the daily as well, but while we're having a look at it is we can see a very nice pattern starting to emerge here with a break above that weekly resistance, and we had support down at this level here and resistance up at this level. Now we can see the price is just starting to break out of that range, and combined with this very nice low test we had here, which formed a doji, you might say, in terms of candle. To me, there's a very good strong pattern as it's bounced off that bottom moving average. The moving averages are still pointing up. We have a nice uptrend, and it is a pretty prime looking continuation setup. Now we have made a new higher high, and we've made another higher high. And today we are seeing price from yesterday and today breaking above that resistance that is here. So what we really want to see now is a new extension higher, and we want to see a test to break of this level here. And that level is really around 46,453 up to around 47,487. So if we did see a move up to that area and a nice break in that area, that would really start to lock in the idea that that Bitcoin is up and running. Now, if you were really savvy, you could have picked up on this earlier and bought either here or start to pick up around this point here. But at this stage, it does look like you'll need to wait for another move up, a pullback, and then look for an entry point to come in. It's a little bit risky jumping in at this point here. So yeah, the issue in buying at this point here is we may see a pullback. We even may see price continue to stay in that range. So we haven't seen a confirmed breakout just yet. So if you pick up there, you may have to run a deep stop down to the bottom of the support. So it might be better to wait for a new higher low and then look to set up a buy or look at a buy once more price action does become available to us, suggesting that we are going to see potentially see further moves higher. So after checking out this resistance here, we can see a nice trend structure. We'll just drop back down to the daily, and we can see just here now what we are really talking about. So we can see that break above resistance here on the short term and that nice support there. So we just want to see a nice move back up to test maybe and break above these levels here and then these levels. Then we'll see a pullback. Now on the daily, if we do see an earlier pullback to test that breakout point and a new higher low and a new higher high, that could set up a entry point on the daily chart as well, and then we'll just look at the weekly for that continuation to further on. So we can see that nice low point here, which was that low on the weekly. We can see that there, which was that failed low / doji candle. So just looking at overall, the trend structure does look quite good, and we'll continue to lean towards continuation patterns moving forward after this breakout. And we can see the moving averages are pointing up, and we've still got a bit of a crossover going, but now it's really down to price action to continue to tell us and lead the way. And we can see some nice buyer volume on 2 bars down there after that move down a few days last week. So now really we just have to keep continuing to watch and just see if this price structure that we can see here continues to eventuate to the upside. So thank you very much for your time, and all the best with your trading, and until our next update, bye for now.